the 2025 Dodge lineup in an engaging and informative way. The automotive world is constantly evolving, and Dodge continues to be a major player in the performance and muscle car segment. With 2025 just around the corner, Dodge has unleashed a lineup that blends raw power, cutting-edge technology, and modern design. Whether you're a die-hard Mopar fan or just curious about what's next in the world of American performance cars, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Dodge lineup, breaking down the latest models, performance upgrades, and the big shift towards electrification. Buckle up because things are about to get exciting. Section 1. The evolution of Dodge. Dodge has always been synonymous with power, muscle, and adrenaline-pumping performance. For decades, it has dominated the streets and drag strips with iconic models like the Charger, Challenger, and Durango. But in recent years, the automotive landscape has changed. With rising emission regulations and the shift towards electrification, Dodge has had to adapt while staying true to its roots. And in 2025, Dodge is taking things to a whole new level. Section 2. 2025 Dodge Charger and the muscle car reinvented. One of the biggest headlines for Dodge in 2025 is the new generation Dodge Charger. Dodge has officially transitioned the Charger into a modern muscle sedan with both gas-powered and electric variants. Let's talk about the design first. The 2025 Charger takes inspiration from classic Dodge muscle cars but adds futuristic elements. It has a bold front fascia with an LED light bar stretching across the grille, an aggressive stance, and wide-body styling straight from the factory. Under the hood, Dodge is offering multiple powertrain options. The base model gets a turbocharged inline-6 Hurricane engine, replacing the classic Hemi V8. But don't let that fool you. This engine is a beast, producing over 400 horsepower in its standard form. For those who crave more power, Dodge offers a high-output Hurricane engine, pushing 500-plus horsepower and plenty to smoke the competition. And then, there's the big O, the Dodge Charger Daytona EV. The all-electric variant of the Charger is here, and it's bringing mind-blowing performance. The Banshee 800 volts architecture delivers over 800 horsepower, making it one of the fastest Dodge vehicles ever made. With instant to work and a 0-60 time of under 3 seconds, the Charger Daytona EV is redefining what muscle cars can be. Dodge hasn't forgotten about the sound, either. The Fratsonic chambered exhaust system replicates the roar of a classic muscle car, making sure the EV still delivers an emotional driving experience. Section 3. 2025 Dodge Challenger at the end of an era? While the Charger gets a major update, the Dodge Challenger is taking a different route. Dodge has officially discontinued the gas-powered Challenger, marking the end of an era for the legendary coupe. However, rumors suggest that Dodge is working on an electric Challenger variant, sharing the Banshee powertrain with the Charger Daytona EV. If that happens, expect over 800 horsepower, all-wheel drive, and a design that pays homage to the classic Challenger styling. For now, the focus is on the Charger, but Mopar fans are eagerly waiting for Dodge to make an official announcement about the future of the Challenger. Section 4. 2025 Dodge Durango. More power, more capability. If you thought Dodge was only about muscle cars, think again. The 2025 Dodge Durango continues to be one of the most powerful SUVs on the market. The latest Durango keeps its aggressive styling, with a redesigned front grille and updated LED lighting. But the biggest news is under the hood. Dodge is offering a 3.0 liters Hurricane inline-6, producing 400-plus horsepower, replacing the outgoing V8 models. A high-performance SRT Hellcat version, rumored to pack 700-plus horsepower, making it one of the fastest SUVs ever built. Inside, Dodge has given the Durango a major tech upgrade. A massive 14-inch touchscreen, Uconnect 5, and premium materials make it feel more upscale than ever. And with 3 rows of seating, it's the perfect mix of performance and practicality. Section 5. The future of Dodge performance EVs, hybrids beyond. Dodge has built its reputation on V8 power, But the future is shifting towards electrification. The 2025 lineup is proof that Dodge is embracing change while staying true to its muscle car heritage. The biggest shift is electrification. The Charger Daytona EV is leading the way, but Dodge is also considering plug-in hybrid technology for future models. This means we might see a hybrid performance vehicle that combines a turbocharged engine with an electric motor for even more power and efficiency. Dodge has also hinted at a new all-electric SUV, expected to arrive in 2026 or 2027, built on Stellantis STLA large platform. If this happens, it could challenge Tesla's high-performance SUVs and bring Dodge's muscle car DNA into the electric age. One thing is clear: Dodge isn't backing down. Instead, it's finding new ways to push the limits of speed and performance. Section 6. Special Editions Limited Run Models. Dodge is famous for its limited edition models, and 2025 is no different. The brand is celebrating its heritage with special edition Chargers and Durangos, featuring unique color schemes, retro badging, and exclusive performance upgrades. We've already seen Dodge release last call editions of the Challenger and Charger, but expect even more special releases in the coming years. Rumors are also swirling about a final V8 Charger, a super limited model that could pack the legendary Hellcat engine one last time before Dodge fully transitions to inline-six and air power. For collectors and enthusiasts, these special editions will be highly sought after. Section 7. Dodge's competition. How it stacks up. Dodge isn't the only brand making waves in the performance segment. Let's take a quick look at how the 2025 Dodge lineup stacks up against the competition. Ford Mustang. The 2024 Mustang Dark Horse is already out, and Ford is continuing to push V8 power. However, Dodge's EV hybrid performance options might give it an edge. Chevrolet Camaro. Chevy has officially ended Camaro production, leaving Dodge and Ford to dominate the muscle car space. This gives Dodge a golden opportunity to capture Camaro fans looking for their next high-performance ride. Tesla Model S Plaid Lucid Air. The EV muscle car wars are heating up, and Dodge is taking on Tesla and Lucid with the Charger Daytona EV. While Tesla has raw speed, Dodge is bringing muscle car styling and sound to the electric world. Dodge is positioning itself as the muscle car brand of the future, and it's clear they're not afraid to take on the competition. Closing, the 2025 Dodge lineup marks the beginning of a new era. With the next generation Charger, the transition to electric performance, and the continued dominance of the Durango, Dodge is proving that muscle cars aren't dead, they're just evolving. Whether you love the roar of a V8 or are excited about instant EV torque, Dodge has something for everyone. What are your thoughts on the 2025 Dodge lineup? Are you excited about the electric future? Or do you miss the classic Hemi V8 test? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Auto Apex for more in-depth automotive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. This script provides a solid 25-minute breakdown of Dodge's 2025 lineup, balancing information with excitement. Let me know if you want any tweaks.